Hi guys, this is Kalpan, based in Mumbai and currently working in White Hat Junior as a sales director. I believe I have won almost all the awards run for the sales team, including the company's overall most prestigious Hall of Fame award. Over a period of time, I feel the company has become more process-centric. A lot of focus on training and development has helped the company stabilize at such a huge level. The culture at White Hat Junior is very competitive, with great team spirit seen at all the levels. New joinees are provided all kinds of support with maximum transparency. I strongly believe change is the law of life, and White Hat Junior believes in constant innovation. Signing off. Thank you.